Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Jira with Power BI. Now you cannot do this directly through Power BI because if you click on Get Data and then you click on More, there's no option for a Jira connector. But if you go to your browser, just log into Jira and then go to the Marketplace. As you can see, I use the Power BI connector and I've even connected and gotten some data sources from Power BI, as you can see right here. So come click on the app section, and then I want you to just search for Power BI. Okay, you'll find the Power BI connectors right here. As you can see here, you would not find Jira, so you have to do it through the website. Log into Jira. You cannot do it through Power BI. Now, since I already have the app, I'm using it. It's right here. Just go ahead and install this app for Jira and then connect, right? Make sure you log in and connect. And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.